This is the Baix Penedès region, a region that I discovered a couple of years ago, and it has changed my life. Let me tell you about it. The region of Baix Penedès is really well situated and close to everything. With excellent land, sea and air connections. Automotive, technological and logistics industries thrive here, and there is still room for more developing industries. A public reception service for new businesses, the Centers for Vocational Training and Higher Education offers programs fully adapted to the needs of any modern company. The region of Baix Penedès has a great variety of services for all your needs. But I didn't only decide to start my company in the Baix Penedès for the above reasons, but for the additional reasons as well. The Baix Penedès is very welcoming, and it is a region that offers the best of itself with a foundation in the culture and traditions. It's a region open for new ideas and people. And now I know this is a great place to continue developing my projects. It's the ideal region for my future.